to the channel. We are here at Cleetus' event, Spectator Drags. We got Lewis and we got Frankie with us. We got a bunch of cars, at least like 50, 60 cars. Lewis, you excited? What's up? All right, let's go. Anyways, we're about to do a parade lap, 60 cars, single elimination. I think it was up to 100, but I think, I don't know if everybody showed up, but a single elimination, one time around the oval, one lap. So it's gonna get crazy. So, you guys know we just replaced the AC compressor like 3 weeks ago. On the way here, AC went out again. So that's a bummer. Luckily, we don't need AC for this race. Guys, this is gonna be so crazy. I am so pumped. All right, guys, so here's all the cars. They're all lined up from all the way up there, all the way down there. The C8's over there. So basically the way it's gonna work is whoever is either in front of you or behind you, you're gonna get paired up with, depending on how it kind of goes. So our race is against the RX-7 or the Jetta behind us as our first round. Well, what's going on with this thing, man?
K20 Honda swapped turbo RX-8.
Very cool, man. Good luck. And then the second car would be the GLI. All right, guys, so an update. We got closer to the front, so now we can figure out who's going against who. Frankie is in the GT3 RS. He's going against a Tesla Model S dual motor. So that's gonna be an interesting one because that Model S is gonna get off the line, take off. Frankie's gonna have to try to keep up and take him in the corners, I think.
Ooh, GT3 RS.
Let's go, Frankie! Come on, Frankie! Come on, Frankie!
Then Lewis is going against a Ford Focus ST, so he should get that.
Let's go, Lulu!
Guys, I think Lewis just won! He won! Yes! Hell yeah, dude. Freaking Lewis won his first one. I'm going against a Volkswagen Jetta GLI, so I should be able to get that. So hopefully we all make it to the second round. All right, guys, we are gonna get outside lane. We're going against the GLI. I'm freaking nervous. So unfortunately, Frankie lost his first race against the Model 3 Performance. That Model 3 Performance might take it all. Lewis won his first one, so we gotta make it to the second round with Lewis.
All right, man, have fun.
Thank you.
Who's got the Corvette on this one?
Let's go, baby! Woo!
Rear-wheel drive!
Rear-wheel drive!
Thank you, sir.
In the back of the line.
Appreciate it. We won our first one! Guys, I was so nervous. I couldn't even think. I just ran. Woo! That was scary. All right, so now we're getting the back of the line. We'll figure out who we're going against. Woo!
Dude, that thing is so fast off the kit. Oh my god.
Oh, that was insane. That was a lot of fun. Holy cow. All right, so either we're gonna go against the RX-7 in front of us or the winner of the other race. I don't know what it was. We'll find out in a second. All right, guys, so update. Lewis is going against a 570S. It's tuned, it's like 700 horsepower, so that car might be the one to take it home. Hopefully Lewis can knock him out. We are going against that RX-7 in front of us, so that thing has 400 horsepower. It's a K20 swap. It weighs 2,000 pounds, so it's like a little go-kart, so it's gonna be interesting.
Fire going high.
Let's go, Lulu! Let's go, Lulu!
Pretty sure I just heard my belt squealing. That's probably not gonna be a good thing. What happens here? AC's on.
Man, the C8's running good. It's smoking a smidge, brother.
It's the AC compressor.
AC compressor.
Just went out. It's all good. second race. Woo! Lewis won his. He beat the freaking 570S. It smells bad, huh? So my belt, I think my belt either ripped off or I started smoking like crazy. We just sent it. It's under warranty, right? All right, Lewis. So we just found out Lewis and I are gonna go against each other. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good about it. It's not something that I'm looking forward to doing. Beating rear-wheel drive is something that has to be done.
Is that something you've always dreamed of?
It's not something I've always dreamed of. It's something that I've turned into a reality today.
Oh.
What happened with the McLaren?
You know, there was a McLaren. I looked at him and I was like, "Are you as fast as a C8 Corvette, like rear-wheel drive?" And he was like, "Yeah, I'm faster." And I was like, "All right, let's do this." But then I beat him.
Now we're reporting live back to you.
All right, guys. Third race, going against Lewis. That's 2 out of 3. Don't want to go against him, but we gotta do what we gotta do. It's gonna be a really good competitor. He's going in the down. He's on the bottom side first.
Who's got the C8? Here we go, C8 versus Cayman.
Let's go, baby!
That's how we roll, baby.
That's how we roll.
Holy cow, we just beat Lewis! Oh! All right, guys, we're 3 for 3. We're going to, I think, the semifinals or something. I don't know. Oh, man, that was crazy. That was freaking nuts. All right, guys, we got a bye race. We're going by ourselves, so we're going to go to the top 4. Got a little practice run in there. We got a bye, so we're top 4. All right, guys, so there are 4 cars left. There is a 370Z. They're going against the ZR1. There's us, and we're gonna go against the winner of this next race. All right, guys, here goes our semifinal race.
All right, guys, we got Ben in the X5, the BMW, and then we have Matt.
Yeah, this might be it for the BMW, Spence.
We're taking home $500 at least. We might take home $2 grand. We're going against the freaking ZR1. This is gonna be rough, man. Real rough.
Do you need cool down time or are you ready to go? This is the finals, brother. Let's go. Come on.
All right, guys, here it goes. We are in the finals. Oh, man. Guys, I am nervous. This is about to get crazy.
ZR1 on the inside lane coming up to the line. Then we have Matt Whittingham in the C8.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
this is round 2. If the C8 wins again, it is over. I want to hear a big round of applause if the C8 comes.
Okay. We fucking won! What?
Let's do a victory lap. You got it. What do you think of your first ever win at the Freedom Factory? Intense. This is nuts. Right, dude, you just drove a lap around the Freedom Factory that very few people will ever do. Congratulations, man. Great stuff.
Alright. Random dude I met at the drag strip. Dude, I'm proud of you, man. Hey, man, you're killing it, dude. Yeah, well, time for some grudge racing, I guess. No party on the pad? A little one. James, go. Will I do a Paragon? Oh, really? They might do a
Alright guys, so we just won the $2,000 check. The one thing that I did say to these guys is that we would all split the prize money if we won. She's gonna get $500, he's gonna get $500, you get $500. So everybody wins $500. Guys, we had an insane time. Thank you, Cleetus, for holding the event. It was incredible. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Later.